welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Coleen Hair for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this ensemble. What? Shimmy shimmy. Shimmy shimmy. Yes, it is so beautiful. This is a 24-inch 13x4 frontal kinky 4C edges kinky curly hair. Okay, it's beautiful, absolutely stunning. Who's that girl as soon as you walk in the door? For all the girlies that like a full curly head of hair, you're going to love this. I love it. I'm thinking I need to go to a couple concerts so I could wear this. I just want to wear this in the beach. This is like everything, but the edges are just giving so natural. Like, stop. Like, y'all, I know it's a little crusty right there, but don't mind that. What? Yes. Yes, and so this is 24 inches, but you don't even have to go this long. You don't even have to have it this long. This might be a little too much for some people, but I think it is absolutely stunning. I love it. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video, y'all. All right, so we are working with Coleen. Well, I think it's Coleen. Is it Coleen? It's Coleen Hair. You get a elastic band. Yeah, this one's thick too. Yeah. That's tight. The wig comes in this package like this. Another like elastic band you can sew on. Wig caps. All right, so on the bag, it says it's a 24-inch transparent 13 or 4x13 4C natural color. Kinky curly 180 average. I think that means density size. So let's see. Right, so off the top, the edges are looking like this. This is a kinky edged wig, okay, you guys? So I might pluck it a little bit, I don't know. We'll see how thick these edges are giving. It is a kinky curly. It's 24 inches. These curls feel so soft. So very, very soft. Let's get into the kinky edges. Oh yes. It's giving I haven't been relaxed before. I've never been relaxed. Never natural edges. All right, inside we have 4 combs, elastic band, adjustable straps. We have some extra lace I'll probably just cut off. Honestly, this part is looking from here to here. It's looking very wide, so I think it's big girl head friendly for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna put some water in it. I'll probably just put like water in it, diffuse it a little bit, and yes, it feels good though. My hands are just running straight through it. We love that. Okay, all right, let me get started. Oh, you guys, I think I also got lashes. I think these lashes came with them too. All right, you guys, so I'm all done. The hair is, I feel like it's completely dry. This is what the kinky edges are looking like. It's a little crusty right there. Hold on. But I think the kinky edges turned out really good. It looks very natural. She's giving very natural. This is my hair and I got a whole lot of it. That's definitely what it's giving. It's so pretty. This wig has a whole lot of hair, you guys. It's a whole lot of hair. This is just what's in the front. There's all this in the back. So 180% density is plenty and more, okay? But it's absolutely gorgeous. I love how much hair it is. I'm loving the curly hair for the summer. So yes, I will definitely have her in rotation, okay? She will be in rotation and ready to go. So again, this is a 24-inch kinky edge 13x4 frontal, okay? And I put a side part in here. What else? Oh, it's kinky curly hair. Yes. Thank you, Coleen Hair, for sponsoring this video today. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all their information, direct link to this wig, discount code, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys. Oh, look at, wait, hold on. This is what it looks like when I bring all the hair forward. It's so pretty, right? That's crazy. That's crazy. Damn. Okay, yes, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. If you're a curly hair girl and you love curly hair and you want some natural edges, it's almost giving bangs, huh? It's almost giving bangs. But yes, if you're a curly hair girl and you like big curly hair, definitely get you one of these, because absolutely it's yes. I want to wear this hair to like to a concert. I feel like this is cute, like concert hair. Or reunion hair if you ask Kenya or Candy. They love wearing big hair like this too. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.